I'm Meridith Anzulis, Vice President and CEO of Fenetex Motorized Screens. I'm here today at Pepper's Cocina, which is an upscale Mexican restaurant in St. John's, Florida. Their patio area represents a significant amount of the restaurant's seating. They have 50-odd seats out here, including this glorious bar where they sell a lot of margaritas. This project came to us when the restaurant was already in construction, and we worked with our dealer partners at Titan Outdoor Solutions to come up with the fix. We built a framework so we could mount screens, we added columns, and worked with them to select the right screen for their solution. Clear screens were the obvious choice because it does get chilly here in the wintertime and they like to heat the space, but it also gets hot in summertime, which allows them to air condition it. One other thing is that it's in Florida, so when you have clear screens down, you can keep the pollen out during pollen season. So this installation includes a total of 9 Fenetex clear motorized screens. They are made with black Ferrari borders, which fits in perfectly with the black tracks and trim on the decor, and it just makes a really modern, seamless, clean installation. The tracks used here at Pepper's are Fenetex's one-track tracks, which come with our quiet spring technology that makes these screens self-adjusting. The tracks will keep consistent tension across the screen, making them able to respond to any weather conditions. Heat, cool, wind. They keep the screen nice and flat and smooth, and it makes the restaurant look that much better. Fenetex is an owner-operated company, so whether you're a restaurant owner, a dealer, or an installer, we will work with you to make sure that products are there for you, that your project comes out right, and that things work the way they're supposed to. We're responsive to the marketplace, we're responsive to our dealers. All of our major suppliers are based here in the US, so what that means for you as a Fenetex dealer is that you don't have to worry. Your clients don't have to worry. We've got you covered.